Hello everyone. Welcome to my new video. Basic Excel formula. First you need to understand the column, row, and cell. This is called column. From up to down. From left to right. Called row. Combination of column and row is called cell. Here, G is column and 9 is row. G9 is cell. Now, we show you how to add cell. Here we add one by one cell. We can add all cell at one time. From function sum, we can add all cell in one time. Equal sum. Then, select cell. Some mistake is there. Remove this and try again. Select cell and then drag up to cell you want to add. You can range the cell manual. Select F37 to F42. Subtract 2 cell is simple. Equal sign, select one cell. Then, minus sign. Select another cell. Enter and drag the column. Next, I will show you how to multiple 2 cell. Equal sign. Select start key. Then second cell. Next, I will show you how to find the percentage. Make data, for example. We select student data, marks obtained, and total marks. Equal key. Select cell D4. Slash or divide key. Then E4 cell. By default it will show you in normal number. You can select the percentage. Remove 0 after point. From this option, drag the cell. Next, I will show you how to find the average of data. Next, I will show how to divide two cell. So, I have shown you plus, minus, multiple, divide, sum, and average. Formula. Another tips. To find the sum average quickly. This is show average, count and sum. You can zoom sheet from this option. If you are unable to see bottom option, then right-click on bottom line and select the option you want. Next, I will show you upper, lower, and proper function. See. This the actual data with no proper manner. Type function upper. Then select cell. Same for lower. Select lower function. Then cell. Enter. And for proper word, type function proper. Select cell. Enter. Some exercise 4. All 3. Function. Next, I will show you how to merge 2 cell and how to remove digit from number. Here, I will combine first name and last name. Equal key. Select first cell then and key. Then second cell. For space you need to add space key inside double comma. You can add more than 2 cell. You can also add word in start, middle and in last. I am adding some word in middle. Next function. How to remove digit from number. I have selected 7. Means 7 digit will remove from number. If you need this number then copy and paste with value. It will remove the formula and show you actual number. If you have any query and doubt, you can ask in comments. I will please to assist you. Thank you for watching video. Please like, subscribe and enable the notification for latest video.